channel. This is Bhavika, and in today's video I will be doing the cheapest yet the biggest Amazon unboxing. So before starting with the main content, make sure you guys hit the red subscribe button below this video window and turn the bell on so that you get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So I placed order on Amazon few days back and I have received it very early, like today is Sunday, and I have received it like, yes, Amazon does delivers on Sunday as well. So this is the box that I have received. I'm like, see, this is huge, guys. This is huge. And you know, when I received it, my mama was like, "Ab kya mangaya hai tumne?" I was like, "There's nothing expensive. It's like very cheap." So let me just open it in front of you guys. This is a funny video. I'm telling you guys, this is a funny video. Okay. So after opening the box, there you go. And after I take off all the bubble wraps and safety packs, do you guys want to know what I have got? A Santoor body lotion, and this was just for around 200 rupees. Like I did, yeah, it was kind of a prank video. You know, there are various sellers on Amazon, so I have placed order from, like, you know, 3 different sellers. So this was from one of those sellers and I have received in this huge Amazon box, like this big box, and just a small lotion. So this was quite funny. You know, when he asked me to pay, I was like, 182 rupees. So he was like, yeah. So I was like, itne bade box mein 182 ka kya aaya hai? Like I around placed order for 1100 rupees. So yeah, it was a cash on delivery. So you know, even I was like that, itne bade box mein sirf ek itta solution. So yeah, this was the biggest yet the cheapest Amazon haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If yes, then give this video a big thumbs up and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.